have an active Instagram shop, but you've decided you want to change the domain or decided to start another website, but want to keep that Instagram shop intact without having any more errors. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to switch from one domain to another without losing your Instagram shop. So let's get started. First of all, hi, I'm Lydia. On this channel, we'll talk about social media marketing for business. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe and stick around for more videos. So let's get through the things you need to do step by step in order to update your current domain, your current website domain, without losing the Instagram shopping feature. First things first that you need to do before removing the domain that you previously had from the domain verification in brand safety, you first need to add and verify your new domain. So don't ruin anything that has to do with the Instagram shop before actually implementing the new domain. So go to business settings, brand safety, domains, add your new domain there, add the websitelink.com, then take the head code and verified domain as you did with the first one. If you're unsure how to do that, watch this video right here. It will tell you everything you need to do. The second step is removing all your old products from the catalog. Remember, if you want to keep your Instagram shop, you will also keep the same catalog, because otherwise you will need to start a new commerce account, and a new commerce account cannot be connected to a new Instagram account. So you're basically going to lose your Instagram account, your Facebook page, and everything if you start a new catalog. So in order to keep your old catalog, go to your catalog, select all your items and delete them from the catalog. Once you've done that, if you have a Shopify business, this will be a lot easier to integrate, but don't use Shopify yet to add all of your products. You can watch this video after this one to learn how to add all of your products and to sync Shopify with your catalog. But before that, make sure to add 10 products manually from your new website to see how things are going and for them to firstly approve those products. Because with Shopify, you can often get errors and that will cause you to lose the Instagram shopping feature. Now, all you need to do is check that Facebook got what your new domain was. So you need to do a little bit more settings by going to Facebook Commerce, Settings, Returns, and also update your returns policy link. If you don't know how to set up returns and shipping in Facebook Commerce Manager, please watch this video right here. It will tell you everything you need to know. Next, you'll need to do some settings on your Facebook page by going to the button that you've previously set up with the Shop Now and add your new website link. Do the same for settings and website links so people will know where to find your products. You also have to do the same thing for your Instagram. Go to your Instagram bio, edit profile, and add your new website link there. Keep in mind that this might also get some errors if Facebook asks you, okay, but products are unavailable on the website that you previously selected. You can request another review and tell them you've changed your domain. But throughout this whole process, you need to make sure that you don't change your Facebook page name, your Facebook page username, your Instagram username, and you don't change your catalog as we've talked about. Also, in your products catalog, do not add products from both your new domain and from your old domain. This will just confuse Facebook and you will lose access to the feature. This is not for choosing to sell your Instagram shop to another business and giving them your Facebook Commerce Manager. This will not work. It will need to be the same business name, same business details, just a different domain. For example, in case you decided from Happy Kids to go to happykidsclothing.com. That is the same business but a different domain. So this is a process that I thought would be really helpful for you to know if you've changed your website domain, and it will help you not lose access to this feature. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I would love to help you out and answer them. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe down below for more such videos every single week, and also follow me on Instagram at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more exclusive content on growing online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.